With a dengue outbreak in full swing, the councillor for the South Borough Division in St. Catherine is calling for a more comprehensive approach to getting rid of the mosquito population. This follows a recent visit by a vector control team. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
A vector control team from the St. Catherine Health Department fogging sections of the Newlands community. It's part of efforts to reduce the number of mosquitoes in that part of the parish where a number of breeding sites have been found. 11 schools in the Portmore area were also fogged. Sweet relief for some residents.
I feel more comfortable now. I can relax, open my door now, and mosquito don't have to be clapping, using destroyer, spraying out my house and all those things. I felt more comfortable.
I don't start clapping yet. I don't know if I'm going to clap tomorrow or this thing going to go on. But you need to pass through more often.
Residents also complain that it is very expensive to buy mosquito repellents and other items to prevent mosquito bites.
Yeah, every month I have to buy one of them zapper, you know, because them go fast, you know, because, I mean, you know, recharge, I have to charge them up and things and then burn up and things, so.
So all them burn up as much mosquito you can?
Yeah, man.
Well, I used to buy 2 tin of the big spray now, that value $6.50. So I use 2 of that, the pyro, per week.
Meanwhile, councillor for the South Borough Division, Ainsley Parkins, says in addition to fogging, other steps should be taken to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes.
You would actually know that the mayor is very much passionate about what is going on within the Portmore as it relates to the dengue viruses. So we have to actually make strong representation for this to be done. The high vegetation in Portmore, as in the bushes, it actually now the mosquito live in those vegetation, and actually when this area is fogged, South Newlands, the mosquito gone to South Bar, they migrate back to Newlands. So it's very much tricky in doing the vector control.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.